unboxing coming to you from beautiful southern Utah, right near the border of Arizona. I'm near Glen Canyon, Lake Powell. I guess that's the Colorado River. I'm looking for a beautiful location and I sure found it. It is absolutely stunning down here in southern Utah, and I'll be doing some Arizona videos here soon, but we've got an unboxing to do. I'm gonna go ahead and get this on the little table and get myself set up. It is the Hot Wheels 2021 F case sent to me by our friends at Mattel. And they even said, hey, give us a cool location when you're gonna do it. I gave them a cool location. We should just get right to it, because that's what we are here to do, and then I'll show you a little bit around of where we are, which is a beautiful location. Many people in Arizona, Utah go to Lake Powell, and the season is coming, but this land outside is just absolutely gorgeous as well. All right, so let's get right to it. It's been a while since I've done one, so we'll just walk right through it as quickly as we can. We start with the Corvette C7 Z06 convertible. Two of those, that was the Super in the last case, and the retroactive there in the middle. Twinning and winning, we've already seen that. We've already seen the Kia Stinger. Gotta make sure I've got this. And then the Isle Driver. Okay, recolor of the 32 Ford. That's a cool card. And obviously they're doing the Uno theme, so now it's Dos. Is that a different game, or they're just running with the cards? Custom small block. This is something new, kind of a Lego-y thing. Special feature. Maybe we'll do that in the showcase video. And then recolor of the Toyota AE86 Sprinter Terreno. Falcon, this is the third version, right? Because we had the blue version, then we had the Zamek, and now we have this one in black, which is very cool. That one will be in the collection and a highlight for sure. Duck and Roll GT Hunter, Buns of Steel. Duck and Roll looks like it's glow in the dark once again. Jeep Gladiator, we've seen that one in blue. We've seen the hot tub. No, I don't know if we've seen the hot tub, but it's back. Nice to see you, hot tub. Been a while. And the Formula E Generation 2 car. Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect, that is a recolor of whatever. I don't remember what that is. Anyway, there's your Corvette that we had in the last case, and then there's the Gasser, which people are finding as part of the E case. All right, Grand Cross, two of those. There's the Mazda RX-3. If we got that with real riders, we'd have the Super Treasure Hunt. So I think that's kind of like what they call a pearlescent white on it. But this one, very cool. Mad Mike is the theme. So one way or the other, that's a cool car. Obviously, getting the Super would be pretty sweet too. Duck and Roll McLaren Speedtail, and how about this? The Ragin Express, which is, I wonder if it says here. You can read that if you want to, but it's a Decotura, which is a very much decorated kind of just, I don't even know how to describe it, but you've seen these in videos and things. Full of lights, and it's very cool. Rio Asada previewed this a while ago on Instagram. And here is the completed version, just full chrome. It is fantastic. Love the cherry blossoms and the other Japanese art there on the side. That is a major highlight. We'll be showing that thing off for sure. Praying Menace, Forward Force, 2018 Bentley Continental GT3 looks so much better in this deco than the last one. So I like that one. The last one was last year's, right? So looking pretty good. Tanknator, Jaguar F-Type, love that one. Love it with those wheels too, actually, to be honest. That one's pretty cool. So that's the recolor, and then the Velosa Racer. I have no idea if this wind is picking up on the microphone, but Ram we've obviously seen the GT40, it's just fantastic. The Mark IV, right? And then the Formula, whatever it's called again. And a couple more of those. Oh, we have recolor. We've seen these again. This case is going to fly off. And then look at that. Love the Magnus recolor here. I actually like it better than the silver of the Porsche 944. That one is cool too. First 36 done. Let's look at the last 36. before this blows away. Oh, there's some cool stuff in here. Let's have a look. Eric Stein rod is back, looking good in, well, did we have this in the last case? I don't remember, but it looks cool. Cosmic Coupe and the Forward Force. We've seen this Mustang. We've seen this Honda Prelude, and here's a recolor. I guess, wasn't it orange before? Or maybe it was that the last case, or the last year. Dodge Power Wagon in orange with kind of that blue trim, which looks kind of cool. Nice. I have no idea what the treasure hunt is. Maybe I've passed it, maybe I haven't. McLaren again, which is awesome. There's that Worldwide Optimism Camaro from, oh, wind just blew over my cars I just put down. From Ornamental Conifer, and then the Porsche 944 Turbo again. Velociracer, there's that Cardi Asada, the taco car, twinning and winning once again. Recolor of the Corvette Stingray, liked it in red, love it in white with the gray lace wheels. That looks cool. Porsche Carrera recolor in white, liked it. Like it in forest green as well. Probably take the white first though. And then there's another gasser for you gasser fans that didn't find it the first time. Miata Eric Stein rod. All right, Big Air Bel Air. So you guys who like these mid 50s Chevys, that is fantastic. I might even like that one over the last version. That's fantastic. Baja Blazers, BF Goodrich. That's a great one. That's going to be one of my highlights of this case for sure. Okay, recolor of the ZR1 convertible. Right? Is this isn't a new model, this one, so maybe it's just the first version of this one. 67 Camaro once again, and then there's another Big Air Bel Air. Someone driving by probably wondering what the heck is going on. Quad rod, Mad Props, looking cool, and there's another Corvette. Jeep, Miata, Subaru, digging that color from the last case. Kia, Subaru, and then the Cosmic Coupe. Went reverse there. Almost done. Finishing off with the Rigo motor with those cool skull things. Honda Prelude, the Corvette ZR1 convertible. And the final three, we get another Decotora. We get the Mystery Machine and another Mustang. There's the Decotora there. I'm just want to make sure I don't lose this case, which we just might in the wind. Highlight has to be the Decotora. Actually, I think my two favorites are the Decotora and the, wherever it is, the Big Air Bel Air. Will you guys tell me what you think? Thank you, beautiful Utah, for giving me another background. I will finish off this video just going quiet so you can kind of see what's going on. Thanks, everybody. Bye.